Hello, everyone. The Information and Analytical Service is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. A little further, we will consider each parameter in more detail. If you want, you can put a stop. We propose to consider all the indicators of the corporation under study more scrupulously. Now let's analyze the main indicators of the corporation. Microsoft Corporation, ticker MSFT. This review was created using data as of June 6, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets company Microsoft Corporation belongs to the subcategory. The Internet, 63 companies take part in the comparison, which is very representative. Overall score for the company under study, 0.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.6 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the entire US stock market as a whole, note that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the company's score of 0.5 points, Microsoft Corporation. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares, Microsoft Corporation and subcategory shares, we see that over the last 12 months, the shares Microsoft Corporation showed a dynamics of 13.1%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory by 20%. Market capitalization of the company Microsoft Corporation amounts to $3,476.36 billion. With a capitalization of the subcategory of $9,981 billion. The company's book value is $321.92 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of $1,024 billion, the subcategory is worth $1,024 billion. By comparing the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Share Microsoft Corporation in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 34.828%. Book value capitalization is 31.444%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has debts of $106.244 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 33% of equity. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, good, 1 point. The company's market price to earnings ratio is 36, with an average for the subcategory of 28.4. Evaluation of the exchange price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $96,644 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $112,566 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 12.9. Average for the subcategory is 6.4. Evaluation of the market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $270,030 million. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is preliminary $308.23 billion. Assessment of the expected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The marginality is 35.8%, with the average for the subcategory being 22.4%. Sales margin assessment compared to subcategory indicators. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 10.052%. This is 246% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $15,246,000. And in the subcategory $4,400,000. Evaluation of the company's capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee is $423.8 thousand, with an average in the subcategory of $154.7 thousand. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $1,184,000. In the subcategory, there are $691,000. Evaluation of sales per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Shares for sale are 0.8%, with an average for the subcategory of 1.2%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 74% for the company Microsoft Corporation. In the subcategory, this level is 66%. The company's actual share price is around $468. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $510. Let's look at the order table. It is available. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the evaluation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's analysis, Microsoft Corporation. Information and reference system for stock evaluation GURU.Markets, the following decision was made. Do not open an order, as this video is a review. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system GURU.Markets.